Plea to the public by health officials in Tulare County. They're asking people not to gather during the holiday weekend. If this happens, they're fearing another surge in cases similar to what they saw after the 4th of July. Our Jocelyn Moran with the story.
As this holiday, this Labor Day holiday is approaching, KSEE Delta kind of finds itself literally almost sitting on the edge of our seat, holding our breath, hoping that we don't experience the resurgence that we saw in July.
KSEE Delta Medical Center in Visalia saw a record number of 91 COVID-19 patients at the end of July. Today, that number significantly down to 40 COVID patients. But Gary Herbst, the CEO of KSEE Delta, fears what could happen after this Labor Day weekend if people choose to gather. Today, health officials and county leaders coming together.
We want to remind the public to heed the lessons learned.
Timothy Lutz, the director of the county's Health and Human Services Agency, says the spike in cases following the 4th of July weekend resulted in more than 100 COVID-19 related deaths in just 2 months, the majority not in skilled nursing facilities. He says reducing gatherings could result in more restrictions being lifted and getting kids back into their classrooms.
It will also prevent additional losses of life.
While the county has recently seen favorable numbers, he says the test positivity and case rate remain high, and the Porterville alternate care site is only taking up to 10 patients at a time. The California Medical Assistance Team helping staff the site was reassigned to the wildfires. As of now, Lutz says the site is expected to close in mid-September.
If the need were to arise where we suddenly see another spike, certainly we would be working with the state to bring resources back to staff that facility.
A spike health officials are desperately trying to prevent. Jocelyn Moran, KSEE 24, local news that matters.